Went to HomeGoods to see what they had in. This little patio set right here I thought was real nice. It's like a little sectional, and then it has the table, so it's like a nice size. It'll seat a decent amount of people, $1,500. This set right here, another one that I think we might have saw before, but I'm not sure if we saw it in this color, $1,500 for this one too. And it comes with those double tables. It does not come with this table. This is like an indoor table. It's kind of like a metal. It kind of has like wood details. The wood was scratched, and the little like skewer details in the front right there. But it's a nice size console table for only $80. Not bad at all. And it has like a nice simple look to it. This chair right here is so cute. $600. It has a little pattern. So this will play into like a nautical theme too, but it has like a really big back to it. So it's like a real statement kind of piece too, and the colors help with that. This right here. So they have a lot of outdoor dining sets. Different things for serving and stuff. So they have these cute little lemon trays, $10, $8 for those. This right here I thought was interesting because it says disposable, but the material looked like you can wash that and reuse that. But it was $13 for that set right there. And it comes with the little tongs, the little like, fork and spoon, all the serving stuff. But just a ton of cute little stuff. They have little drink coolers. You can put the ice in those, and then, your drinks. Nice lanterns for outside, like $20. So just a lot of Martha Stewart stuff right there. This I thought was interesting because I thought it was a planter shape like that, but what somebody did was they took and put the planters bottom facing the bottom facing. So that one is 15. That one is $20. So that's a little nice look. So if you need like a larger planter, or maybe you can't find one that you like, you might want to do that. And they did it with a few other pieces too in the store. So yeah, you can make your own. And I don't know why I didn't think of that because I do a lot of DIYs like that, but didn't think to do it with HomeGood planners. That bowl was nice right there for $10, and it has like a little texturing detail. This birdhouse, really pretty blue, $25, and it's like a metal material for that one right there. It's just a nice shape. These has little cutout butterfly details, and it's a lantern too. And it's like a solar one, $20. This, I think it's like a bird bath, but it has like the hand shape and then like kind of like a little sunflower in it. $50 for that one right there. I thought that one was nice. Another nice patio set in like a neutral color. $1,500 for that. They had these pretty rainbow pieces in this like, I don't know, it's not a Buddha. I don't know what it is. But $600 for that. Thought that was cute. And then they have these rainbow pieces. I think these would be cute outside. You can see like the serving tray there. And then this kind of like bar cart right here for $150. And then it has all the little pretty details. It's kind of more of a muted rainbow, but still real pretty for that. This piece of artwork right here, I was trying to get a better view of it, but it was hard to because they had it in a weird spot. But it's like cut out wood. So the details in it are like the art piece is wood that's cut out, and that was $400. These pieces, a nice little like orange like color. So they had candles, they had different decor pieces. That candle right there, $13. This pretty looking like it's like watercolor kind of look to it, $20 for that right there, and it was a nice big size. This right here, another nice vase, $40 for that one right there. So just a few cute pieces in that orange. And then this stool, so you can see it has different shades of orange in it. So it had three different shades, $300. It was just real pretty. And then it has like the metal and then the neutral color cushion right there. This mirror, so cute because it looks, I like a piece that looks like it is kind of a one of a kind, but it's mass produced, but it looks kind of one of a kind. So it had like these little wood pieces that kind of look like a salvaged wood, and that one was $150 for that. These, I don't know what they are, but it was $280. It was massive. um it looked like a big yoga mat. I don't know if you know what those are. Please tell me because I was really intrigued by what they are. Of course, I couldn't unroll it in the store. This little patio set right here. So this one is on clearance, $150, and it comes with like a little cushion to it, but you're gonna get all the pieces: the table and the two chairs. And then they have a lot of cute little like lunch bags, tote bags, that are insulated, so you can grab those and use those for like picnics, lunch, different things when you're out. And it like it's not picking it up, but it has like a pretty metallic like look to it, and then kind of like a beige look. So you can get those. They had a whole surfboard in there too. I'm thinking that's the first time I saw a surfboard in the HomeGoods. So 150 for that right there. I live in Long Island too, so Long Island has a lot of water. These little beach chairs, $80 for those right there. They're foldable. These pieces, I think we might have saw these pieces before, but they are such a pretty blue. And then again, those drink mixes that we have seen before, and this one is for, you'll put rum in there, and then it had 3 different like mixes. That'll be cute for parties too, so you don't have to be the bartender, but you'll look like a bartender. These little trays right here, that's real pretty with the brown around the outside. $13 for that. And those are like that material that's good for the outside. So if you drop it, you don't have to worry about it. That little serving set right there for $4. And then this tray, another nice size one for $13. And then of course you can get the play sets and all that and stuff. These dishes, pretty and blue. These are for indoors, the glass ones, but they are really pretty. $5 for that, and you can see the little details on the outside. Then they have the bigger plates. These will make a nice, really pretty plate setting. These like summer like ones to me. $10 for that serving tray right there. Just a ton of pretty like blue like stuff they have in right now. These bookends, a nice heavy material, so like a marble, $13 for that. So I have shelves in my house and I love a good bookend. Um, these pieces right here, I have a piece like this. I didn't like the color, but you can always paint it another color. I painted mine black because I love everything black, and that one is $13. This little container right here, $10, and it has like that ombre look to it. And then these chairs are a really pretty blue, and it's just like, a nice simple chair, but you can see it kind of has a little wave to it at the same time. And they were $130, and they had a whole set of 4 in my HomeGoods for those right there. And then I love a nice island, and this one was so pretty. I'm not sure if this is one that we have seen before, but just such a nice size. It has a ton of storage on the sides. You have the open storage, then you have the drawers, you have the closed storage, and it has wheels so you can move it around. It has a little rack on the side. Just a perfect island, especially if you don't really have space in your kitchen for an island. And that one is $800, but and you could fit a couple of stools at that if you wanted to. And then these dishes right here, another nice pretty set of dishes. They had some of them on the other side too, but you can see they come different colors, so you can grab the bowl for $5. That one had hints of pink and then green in it at the same time. That is $6. And then they have ones with hints of blue in it. So based on what you're looking for, they'll have different colors. Then these pieces right here, and they pair good with the woods. And then they have like that rustic kind of look to it too. So they have the little cute bacon dishes, so you can use those. $10 for that right there. They had these cute little pineapple containers, so you can put like your utensils and stuff in those or what have you. $8 for those. And then this little tray, so you can put like little desserts or something on there, or kind of use it like at your coffee station to tear the stuff up. $10 for that. These little tiny pitchers, just a bunch of cute little like rustic like stuff. Of course, they're gonna have the sets of drinking glasses, the singular drinking glasses. This set right here, another pretty blue, $15. And then they have this style drinking glasses, but in that same pretty color blue that the other one was in, $13 for that right there. And then they have ones that don't have color if you don't want color. This little rattan like detail one right here, so you'll get the picture and you'll get 2 glasses with that. So for $17 you get that. And this looks like a little bit something like we saw at Target too, but this is like a whole set for this one right here, so you can grab all of those pieces. This tray I thought was so pretty because it has nail head details. It has like the gold handles on it, just really pretty. $17 for that. And then like a light wash wood, I thought that was nice. This one, another like wood one with like a crackling like distressed, I thought that was super cute. $15 for that one right there. And you can see they look different even though it's the same one. This dog picture I just thought was so cute. It's so big, it's so pink, and the dog is just so cute. $80 for that one right there. This, I know we saw this bench before, but it doesn't look nice paired with the stool, the picture. It just looks nice paired all together. It is on clearance now. $300 for that. And then the picture in the background, the picture had a dent in it. I don't think they're aware of that yet, but because it's regular price, still $80 for that. This chair right here, it kind of gives a retro vibe, but still like a modern vibe at the same time. $500 for that one right there. I like the wood, the gold, the color of the cushion with that, and it's just a better look at it from a different angle because they had two of them there at my Home Goods. This lamp, so it's one of the floor lamps, $80. It has like that nice curve over. So that's just a nice reading lamp if you're looking for a nice reading lamp or something like that. And the lamp shade is like a nice neutral color. That big lantern piece right here, so nice, so big. So if you have a nice big outdoor space, this will look nice on a big patio. And 150 for that. They still have some clearance. Clearance is a little rough. The pieces that they do have left. These chairs, I said it before, they have like a little retro vibe to me, but like a lot of the clearance pieces that are left at my Home Goods are a little rough right now. Before they had a lot of options. This $1,000, I'm thinking it must be genuine leather, but that's how the back of it looks. That is chipped to holy heck. But yeah, they do still have some clearance at my Home Goods. This piece, I love this piece, saw before. So it is $750 here on clearance. I don't see where it is damaged, but it is on clearance, but they have another one that is still full price. This chair right here, another nice shape. And this one probably got ruined on the floor because white pieces have a hard time at Home Goods. So that one had like a lot of dirt on it, but it was marked down, but only $50 markdown. So it was $200 now. These chairs, a nice bold print, and they had two of them at my Home Goods. So $600 for those. That'll make a cute little seating area or something. So you know, Home Goods is a great place to find little seating chairs and stuff, especially if you want a seating area. This one right here, a nice subtle color, and it swivels, so you can grab that one for $400. And because the neutral prints, those go with a lot of different spaces. This little table right here, I think is cute because you have your storage and stuff. It kind of has that farmhouse kind of look, but not the farmhouse kind of look. This right here, I don't know if it's a planter, if because you only really have that small table space right there where the wood is, but it's cute because it kind of looks like a little vintage bike, and then you have like that deep bend. So I'm thinking it's a planter, so you put plants in it, maybe put it out in the backyard. But it was $230. And then this is that cabinet, but that one is full price, so it's $1,000. These chairs are pretty blue, and you can see how it will look nice with a piece of artwork just displayed behind it. It has nice lines and stuff in it. It has the curvature, and it swivels. And these are $400 for these right here. So yeah, I always see a lot of nice chairs at Home Goods. This right here definitely gives me a Restoration Hardware vibe. If you ever shopped and you ever see those pieces that they had a whole collection with that like hammered like metal detail, and that has like just that detail. It has the nice clean lines on it and stuff, and that one was $300. This little cocktail table I think is so cute. We might have saw this one before, but I just like the print, the pattern. Or if we saw it, it might have been in a different pattern, but $50 for that one right there. This planter I thought was so cute. So it's like a little mule, and then it has the two planters in it, so you can put two little plants in that. And that one is $100 for that one right there. Just a ton of cute stuff. This little entertainment stand, so it's small, it's sleek, it'll fit in a lot of little spaces. $130 for that, but it has the two closures on the side. I like when you can put away stuff because you don't want everything on display. This console table, love it. It has like that rattan look. It kind of gives me a retro vibe too at the same time, but it's just like a really big statement piece. $300 for that right there. So if you have a space big enough for that, that would really make a statement. These stools right here, so they look short to me though, but they said they are counter height and they are 130. Just something nice. It's like a simple piece, what have you and stuff, and it's just another look at that table. This I know we have seen before, but they still have it at my Home Goods, and that is another $1,500 set. This cute little bird. So Home Goods has a lot of little outdoor pieces like for display that are just so pretty. So that one is $60. I love trunks. I really, really do. And I like these. They have like a distressed look, so they look kind of vintage. And then they had them stacked in the three different sizes. So 25, $30 and then a $40 for these right here. I got one of them to open. I'm thinking the other ones might require a key. I'm not sure, but I didn't see a key. But I got one of them to open. So yeah, you have those right there. Those are cute, and those are cute just on their own. This whole setup kind of gave me just a cute little retro vibe, from the table to the clock to the sofa. So the table was on clearance for $1,800. It wasn't that big of a sale, but it was on clearance for $1,800. The clock, super pretty. Just, that's a statement on its own. $150 for that right there. And then, it comes like a little tripod stand. And then this little shag fur sofa. But that's just like a whole little retro kind of setup. There wasn't a price on the sofa though. But yeah, HomeGoods had a lot of cute stuff in right now, so you might want to go check out your HomeGoods.